Hello, students. I am very glad to see you again. As I said before, the letters E-R make the sound er. Can you try the sound again? Good. Now, let's see some words with the E-R, sound. Her, her. Serve, serve. German, German. Now, take your turn to practice the words. Her, her. Serve, serve. German, German. Let's chant. Her, serve, German. Her, serve, German. She serves her guest a German dish. Now let's chant again. Her, serve, German. Her, serve, German. She serves her guest a German dish. Great job! That's the end of the video today. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.